back to the Punch video time, and in this video I am going to be showing you how you can connect MySQL to Python and then create a database. So let's get started. So to first connect with MySQL, we are going to need to have a library called MySQL. So you can just type pip pip install MySQL, and it should show that I already have it because I use MySQL a lot of time. You can see requirement already satisfied. So you can just Control C over here. Okay, so for me it's already satisfied because I have used MySQL a lot of times. But if you guys haven't used MySQL and need to download the MySQL library, please pause the video and do so. So first we're going to need to import MySQL.connector. So this is going to be our main library that is going to handle our connections. Now is our MySQL configuration or config. So first let's type in MySQL_config is equal to, I'm going to put in a tuple. The first would be our host, and then your host should be your host. Now obviously don't type in your host, you have to type in the host that you are using. Then after that would be your user, and then what you have to type in here should be your user, and then lastly should be your password, and then obviously the thing you need to type in here will be your password. Now don't literally type in your Now don't go up and literally type in your password. Type in the host you're using, the username you're using, and the password you are currently using. Now create a database. So database. Now it should be create db query. Now if you want to make projects while using MySQL, I highly recommend you putting in the command I am about to put. So it would be create database if not exists. So now if I put in the if not exists, what happens is that now you can just copy this code, paste it in whatever project you're working on, and it will work. Because if you put it in a project same to same and only put create database and blah blah blah, then what would happen is that sorry about that. So then what will happen is that it would create a database every time you run the project. So you don't want that, right? So that's why I put create database if not exists. Then after that I'm just going to put in here tutorial. Now our connection is equal to MySQL.connector.connect with a star MySQL_config. Then after that I want our cursor to be equal to connection.cursor, and I need the parentheses inside it. Now our cursor is our main connection. Now we want the cursor to execute this query. So for that you have to put cursor dot execute for the execute. Inside that I want the create database or DB query. Then after that you can just type in cursor dot close connection dot close. Now I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, the punch video is out. So this was the tutorial of making a database in MySQL using Python. And if you guys smash that subscribe button, I will make a tutorial of how you can make a table in a database that in MySQL. That means that you have to connect inside that database and then create a table, which is a whole nother story. That's why I never covered it in this video. But if you want to find out how you can connect into a database and make a table in Python, please like and subscribe, smash the subscribe button and that notification bell, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.